Good morning, students. I hope everyone are fine, right? So, in the last class, we discussed that is the exercise number 3.3 we solved, right? I hope everyone understood that is the short division method, long division method, and prime factorization method. I given us so many examples. According to that, you can solve that is a 3.3 also, right? So, you know short division method and long division method as well as the prime factorization method. If you know these three methods, you can find the HCF of given numbers. Okay. So, I hope everyone did that one. Okay. So, next we'll move with the that is a lowest common multiple or a LCM. Okay, today we learn the LCM. How to find the LCM? The meaning is lowest common multiple. Okay, lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. Okay, here method of finding a LCM. Method of finding a LCM. The first one is a prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Okay, so here method of finding the LCM means here prime factorization method. So first find the example is 24 and 56. Okay. So you have to find the LCM of 24 and 56. Find the LCM of 24 and 56. Okay. So we are doing a prime factorization method. For that reason we have to first find the prime factors of 24 and 56. Same process. Okay. So do the first find the prime factors of 24 and 56 here. That is 2 12 next 2 6 next 2 3 okay, and here 2 so 2 4 and 2 8 next 2 14 next 2 7 okay, right here products, that is 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 okay, and 56 can be written as 2 into 2 into and 2 into 7 okay. So first observe which is a common here, this one is common and this one is common, right? So from common pair in HCF you are taking the only common numbers and multiply here 2 here 2 here 2, that is a 2 into 2 into 2, that is a you will get a 2 to the 4 4 to the 8. So 8 is a HCF, but in the LCM what we are doing means in LCM for pairs, if for common numbers you have taken only one numbers here, that is same LCM is equal to LCM of 24 and 56, that is equal to take a here 2 into 2 into 2. If you do only this much means that is a HCF. What is the difference between HCF and LCM here? We have to take another number also which are not paired, no, that also you have to take here, that is a 3 and 7. Take a 3 and 7 also. One term is there, right? So which numbers are having a here? Means this one pair means only take a one time. Here also one pair means this is a one time. Here also one time. And next multiply this 3 and this 7 also. Which remains no, that number also you have to multiply here in LCM. Okay. Only difference between the LCM and HCF are we are not multiplying this 3 and 7 in a HCF, but in LCM we are multiplying these two number also. Okay. Now multiply and 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to 24, 24 sevens are, that is 7 to the 14, 14 plus 2 is 16. So LCM of a 24 and 56 is, that is a 168. Getting like this we have to do the LCM of a given number. This is a using a prime factorization method. This is a prime factorization method. Okay. Another one method is there. I'll give example. That is a common division method. Okay. We'll go for that one. Common division method. common division method. In that I am giving example for the 27 and 81. Okay, so this is a common division method. We can divide directly at a time both. Okay, so here you have to find the LCM of here 27 and 81 by how? That is the common division method we are using. So take a directly two numbers here 27 comma 81. Now we are dividing at a time two numbers. Okay, so I am starting with taking a, don't it here, no need to take only prime numbers. You can take other number also. Okay, it's your wish. Here, because it is a common division method, there is no restriction to take here only prime numbers. Only in prime factorization method we have to take a prime numbers. But here it is a common division method, so no need to take only prime numbers here. You can take any numbers. Okay. So first I am taking a 3. 3 9 are 27 and here 3 2 are 6, 3 7. Okay. Next again take a 3. 3 3 are 9 and here 3 9 are 27. Next 3 1s are 3 and here 3. Until we get a 1 1 value, how to do the goes on, you have to do the division here. Until we want answer as here 1 1. Okay, both values should get a 1 1 here. Okay, so till that you have to do the division. Okay, so now multiply these numbers. Whatever you are getting in these numbers now, you have to multiply that number. That is a 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. What is that one? 3 3 is a 9, 9 is a 27, 27 is a, it is 81. Okay, so therefore LCM of 27 and 81 is, that is 81. Okay, and one more thing is, keep it in your mind, LCM of any given two numbers is, it is always greater than the given numbers, otherwise it is equal to the one of the number. Here 27 and 81 are two numbers. If the LCM is always equal to any one of them number, otherwise it is always greater than the given numbers. Okay, here 27 and 81 are two numbers. It may be always greater than the given numbers, or else it is equal to one of the given number. Here the LCM is we got as a 81. Now it is equal to 81, right? Any one of the number it is equal, like that. Okay. So next one is again same process. They given us some example also. Okay, solve it yourself. That one, see in textbooks they given us some examples. And now we are going to solve the exercise number 3.4. Okay, start the exercise number 3.4. Exercise number 3.4. In that first one we are having, find the LCM by the prime factorization method. Okay, find the LCM by prime factorization method, that is 8, 12 and 33 they given, right? So first find the prime factors for 12 and here 33. Okay, so I am taking the 2, 2 6 and next 2 3. So 12 can be written as here 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, here 3 take 3 11s are. So 11 is also prime. So 33 can be written as here 3 into 11. So which is common here? Only 3 is a common. So right here LCM of 12 and 33. Okay, that is, so take 3 only one time. Okay, which is common, no? You have to take only one time that number. Okay, so here write down 2 into 2 into, here 3 is only common here, so that's why I am taking only one time. So that is a 3 into 11. Now multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 into 11 is 12 1s are 12, 1 carry, 12 1s are 12, that is 132 is the answer. Okay, LCM of 12 and 33 is 132. Which number is common now? That number you have to take only one time. Okay, here 3 3 is there, so that's why I am taking only 3 one time. Other numbers you have to write and multiply. That is the LCM of a given two numbers. Hope everyone understood. Okay. So next one is we'll do the B question. 16 and 34. 3.4 only. That is a big one. 16 and 34. Okay. So 16 and 34 here. Just take the first prime factors. Prime factor 2 8 we can take 2 4 and 2 2 Okay. So 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Next. Here 2 1 2 7 Again 17 is a prime number. So leave that only. So 34 is equal to 2 into 17. So here 2 is only one common number. Here you write only one time 2 and another 2 also you have to write. Okay. So LCM of 16 and 34. That is equal to write here only one time 2 and next how many 3 left here? Write 3 times 2. Next. Okay. Next which number is left here? 17 also right. That is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 into 17. 7 6 the 42, 7 1 the 7, 11 here. 272. Okay. So answer is what? The LCM of 16 and 34 is 272. The LCM of 16 and 34 is the LCM of 16 and 34 is 272. Okay. Like this we have to do. Next one is the go for the next one. Seat one. Seat one. 15 and 45. First find the prime factors. How to find prime factors here? I can take a 3. 3 5s are. And here 5 9s are. Next to 3 3s are. Okay. So right here 15 can be written as 3 into 5 and 45 can be written as 5 into sorry 3 into 5 into 3. Okay. So this 3 is also common and 5 is also common. Okay. So write LCM of 15 and 45 can be written as here 3 into 5 into 3. Here 3 one time, 5 one time and again left up 3. Multiply. 3 5s are 15, 15 3s are 45. Okay. So what is the LCM of a 15 and 45? That is 45. Okay. LCM of a 15 and 45 is 45. Like this we have to do. Now go for the D problem. What is the D one? See. D one 16 and 17. Now find the prime factors here first. Prime factors are here 2 8 next 2 4 here 2 2 okay. Next again take here 2 only 2 3s are 6. Next 2 18s are 2 9s are and here 3 3s are okay. So write 16 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 72 can be written as here 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 and here 1 time this is 2 time and here 3 time okay. So LCM of 16 and 72. It can be written here 1 time like 2 and here also 1 time and here also 1 time. Okay. Next what left? 2. Next here 3 into 3. 3 into 3. Now multiply and write. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48, 48 3s are how much? 48 3s are 12, 14. That is 144. Okay, so what is the LCM of a 16 and 72? The LCM of a 16 and 72 is 144. This is the using a prime factorization method we found the LCM of the given numbers. The first main is completed. Now go for the second main. Find the LCM by the common division method. Okay, you have to use a common division method and you have to find the LCM. Go for the second main. Second main we are solving, that is using a common division method here. The first one, eighth one is 17 and 51. Okay, so common division method means at a time you have to do the division here. So we can take a 17 also. 17 1 is 17, 17 3 is 51, right? Next 3, here 1 already got, so 1 only. 3 1s are 3. Okay, just we want the answer 1 1 here. Up to we are getting a 1 1, we have to do the division. Now multiply these two numbers, that is 17 into 3, that is equal to 51. Okay, so therefore LCM of 17 and 51 is 51. LCM of 17 and 51 is 51. Okay, go for the second problem. What is the second one? See. This one we are doing. Okay, 16 and 20, right? 16 and 20 here. So 16 comma 20. Now I am taking with that, starting with the 2. 2 8s are, or else take a 4 directly. It will be easy. 4 4 to 16, 4 5 are 20. Next 4 1s are 4. Here 5 and here with 2. Next 5 1s are 5. So we got 1 comma 1. Till 1 comma 1 we have to get that one. Until that one we will do the division here. Okay. So here multiply these numbers. That is the 4 into 5. Okay. 4 4 the 16. 16 5 the 18. Okay. So therefore LCM of 16 and 20 is 80. LCM of 16 and 20 is 80. Okay. Go for the third problem. See one. See one. 32 and 36. Both are in which table? Both are in a 4 table, right? 4 8 are 32, 4 9 are 36. Next 8 1s are and 9 take 1s are. Okay, now multiply. 4 into 8 into 9. 4 8 are 32, 32 9s are 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 27, 27 1 is 28. That is 288. Okay, therefore LCM of 32 and 36 is 288. The LCM of 32 and 36 is 288. Okay. Next go for the last deep one. 40 and 44. Okay. 40 and 54. That is 40 and 44 means here I'm starting with the 4 only. 4 tens are here, 4 11s are here. And next, whether these are in the same number? No. Then directly take it. 10 ones are here, 11 left and 11 ones are. So 1 1 we got. So multiply these numbers. That is 4 into 10 into 11. That is a 40 into 11. That is a 440. Okay. So therefore LCM of 44 and 40 and 44 is 450. Okay. LCM of 40 and 44 is 440. That is the answer. So we completed exercise number 3.4 also. So chapter over? Yes, chapter is over. Third chapter completed. Next one is the MCQs and work it out is there. That will do it yourself. Okay. So I won't solve, that is the MCQs and work it out here, because MCQs and work it out includes all the exercise problems only, because I solved every exercise, right? In whatever the problems given in an exercise law, that only they given in a MCQs and work it out. So you know all the type of problems here. Okay. So that one, work it out and MCQs, do it yourself. If you are getting any confusion, then call me and clarify your doubts. Okay. So next periodic test is also there. So first up to till third chapter, study properly and take a one paper. Okay. And don't see any notes and textbook. Okay. So just seeing the periodic test questions, you have to write yourself only test and test yourself how much I studied. Okay, that only you only conclude yourself whether I am doing a best or not, like that. Okay, so if you are not getting any answers properly, then read properly first, second, third chapter. Then only you can answer for the periodic test. Okay, so in the next class we'll start with the chapter number 4, that is the fractions. Fraction is a very easy chapter. After fraction we'll go fast. Okay, because your syllabus will be run fast, because that will be after 4, means up to third chapter it will be a lengthy process. After third chapter means fourth chapter we are starting. So in from the fourth chapter it will be easy. You only do every problem. Okay, like that you will do. So it will be move fast. Okay. So we'll continue in the next class. Till that, be safe in your home. Okay. Homework is solve this 3.4 in a HW. Okay. Thank you everyone.